Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn two things. First one, that is linking a JavaScript file, or before we are going to use in the predefined HTML or script tag. So what we are going to add, a internal or external linking a JavaScript file. So let's start the tutorial how it gonna work. Okay, so first of all, this is a pure HTML file, so we are not adding any kind of JavaScript over here, right? So if I'm going to add some of the JavaScript, suppose I can put it below this in the head tag or the script, right? In script tag we are going to add something like, you can say, alert. So we are adding it in the console is just a runtime, you can say, a browser stack thing, that where we can put any of the functions of the JavaScript and it will show on the runtime, right? If you are on the file and if you want to run that functions or what in the alert and something else, then you need to write into the script tag. So if I'm adding alert, so hello world, check what's happened. If I'm going to reload, it says hello world, right? And suppose if I want to don't use this one, if I'm going to here I'm going to add 86 plus 90 equal to 100, 90, right? So it will print, it will not print. So let me check. If I'm finding this one in console.log, here I'm going to add my sum is this, and here I'm going to add this one. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Alert, and see, my sum is 176. So this is how we can, whenever we are dealing with such kind of things, we can use such kind of console.log to easily print what exactly going on with that function, where we are, where is the issue. So for debugging purpose we are using the console step, like in PHP we are using that, or echo step by step, like if the function goes here and there, then what are the values we are getting, whether it is correct or not. So for the debugging purposes we can use the console.log. That is better in the Node.js application. You can write, the most of the people use console.log to check the proper values, right? So this is the internal or inline script, right? If I'm going to add, if I'm taking the link, so what we are going to write. So let's check in the, so we have to create a file in script.js, and we have to include that file here in the this section. We can add the file here, script.js, right? So here, if you are adding script.js, here we need to write all the functions, right? So we can add the whole functions over here. Every functions we can write there, right? So suppose here I'm going to create a new file that is called, create a new file script.js, right? And here I am going to include that file, script.js, to read this file. Now I'm going to add all this data into that file. X. I'm going to add check is alert and sum is. If I'm going to change it, suppose I'm going to 100 so that you can confirm whether it is working or not. 90, right? So this is how we can link external JavaScript file into an HTML file easily, and we can manipulate because it is a code standard that every file should be separately loaded so that we can add different functions into that files, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I hope you understand what is how to link a file into the JavaScript. And next video we are going to learn more about the functions. Right now these are the introductory. Now we are going to move on the step-by-step functions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.